The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan has approved the vaccine by China's Sinopharm for emergency use amid rising cases of COVID-19 in the country. A handout by the authority on its official website late Monday read that Sinopharm vaccine, one of the two vaccines approved by the authority, has been given emergency use authorization after evaluating its safety and quality. The authority said the authorization will be reviewed every quarter, keeping in view further data regarding safety, efficacy, and quality. The handout said that a vaccine manufactured by British-Swedish pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca has also been given the authorization earlier. Pakistan's Minister for Science and Technology said that the Sinopharm vaccine has been approved for procurement by a cabinet committee for its safety and affordability. Ijaz Ahmad Khan, a pediatrician and infectious disease specialist at Shifa International Hospital, Islamabad, who is also the principal investigator of the Chinese vaccine trials in Pakistan, said in an interview with us that Pakistan will greatly benefit from Chinese vaccine.
China is one of the leading countries in vaccine production, and so it is also for this coronavirus vaccine as well. So the trial started in China initially. We know that a lot of Chinese vaccines are available to be used. Some of them already in advanced stages of the trial. Some of them have been used under emergency authorization use. We hope that these vaccines, which will formally be recognized, formally be approved, will be available in China and outside China, so people can benefit from it.